Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Jobs in Telugu States. My channel name Jobs in Telugu State. Today I am going to upload one more librarian, junior librarian and assistant librarian question paper. This is a one question paper. This is conducted by OSSC, Odisha Staff Selection Commission, very recently. This is the latest question paper, friends. Questions with answers I am going to explain. So viewers, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, please click on bell icon for more updates. I am uploading central government organization job notifications also on contract basis and regular jobs also. I am going to uploading till today. I am uploaded already 12 question paper, library science 12 13 question papers with answers. So please subscribe my channel, please go through my channel, please watch the question paper videos. It's very useful for upcoming examinations, friends. So now I am going to start questions one by one. So first question: who formulated 5 laws of library science? Right answer is S.R. Ranganathan. Who formulated 5 laws of library science? It's a basic and fundamental question, friends. This is by S.R. Ranganathan. Ranganathan, everyone knows, father of library science. For knowledge purpose, I am explaining that question options related some more points also. This is very useful for recollect the knowledge for library readers, those who are preparing competitive examinations. So I am explaining more points, friends. Please watch for this video for getting more. For example, in this question paper 50 questions, so based on options I am explaining more points. So these questions also coming in future examinations also, friends. So first question: formulated 5 laws of library science is a basic fundamental previous question by S.R. Ranganathan. Ranganathan, everyone knows, father of library science. So 5 laws of library, in some examinations questions given like that, 5 laws of library science given by S.R. Ranganathan in the year 1920, enacted in the year 1928 and published in the year 1931. So these 3 points also very important, friends. Next question, right answer is given in bold letters, friends. Please correct answer given bold letters. So friends, watch carefully. Next question number 2: who was the inventor of modern printing? First by mobile types of metal cast in matrices. So this question is little bit tough, but easy one is printing press, everyone knows, that is invented by Gutenberg. So John Gutenberg is the right answer, friends. This question is a lengthy one, but answer is very short. Modern printing is given by John Gutenberg, friends. So second question, right answer is, out of 4 options, John Gutenberg. Third option is the correct answer, friends. Next question number 3: who was the father of Bengali printing in Eastern India with movable type of faces? So I will check question once again. Who was the father of Bengali printing in Eastern India with movable type of faces? Right answer is Charles Wilkins. Out of 4 options, friends, third is the correct answer. Question number 3, option 3 correct answer, friends. Charles Wilkins is the right answer. This question never seen before. This is a little bit tough, friends. Please watch these type of questions carefully. And so next, fourth question, friends: why should librarian be acquainted with the all parts of book? Because he is encountered with the problem of library collections. So option 2 correct answer for fourth question. 2 is the correct answer, book collections. We will read question once again. Why should librarian be acquainted with the all part of a book? Question mark. Because he is encountered with the problems of book collections. So second option, fourth is second option. Out of given 4 options, second is the right one, friends. Next, fifth question, friends: what is the text of body of the book? Each and every book, body of the book, what is the text we will see? So this is application oriented type of question, friends. We can uh, read this question carefully and find the answer, friends. Right answer is, what is the text of body of the book? So it is really intellectual content written by author. So any book we will see this statement, friends. Body of the book, it is a really intellectual work, is written by author. So on behalf of copyright, this statement gives for each and every book, friends. It is a really intellectual content written by authors. So right answer is second option, question number 5. Option 2 is the right answer, friends. Next, question number 6. This is also question number 5, little bit tough, never seen before. So application oriented type question. Next, question number 6. Who is founded Imperial Library in India, Calcutta? Everyone knows Imperial Library located in Calcutta. First librarian Jack McFlarence. McFlarence is the first librarian for Imperial Library in India, Imperial Library of India. So it is located in Calcutta. But here, who is the founder of Imperial Library? Asking. So right answer is Lord Curzon, friends. Sixth question. Second one is the right answer, Lord Curzon. Next, seventh question. What is the parchment? Parchment. This is also previous question, but little bit tough question. What is a parchment means? It is a made of skin of animals, usually goat and sheep. So it is a made of skin of animals, usually goat or sheep. So what that is called parchment. So third is the seventh question. Option 3 is the right answer, friends. And options are right answers also given in bold letters, friends. You can easily find the answers when you are preparing, when you are seeing this video. Next, question number 8, friends. What was the moving spirit behind the early European libraries in India? So ancient libraries, based on ancient libraries. Few more questions are given in this question paper. Most of the questions like that only. What is the moving spirit behind the early European libraries in India? Missionaries. At that time, missionaries, madrasas, very popular, friends. So missionaries is the right answer. Eighth question, 3 is the correct answer, friends. Next, ninth question. What is the reason of the most satisfactory basis for organizing library material for quick and easy accessibility? So most of the questions lengthy questions also. What is the reason of the most satisfactory basis for the organizing library materials for quick and easy accessibility? Right answer is subject classification. So this is application purpose. Most of the libraries materials are easy access for the users following the subject qualification. This is nothing but subject classification is the right answer, friends. Ninth is the subject classification, correct answer. Ninth one, 3, option 3 correct answer, friends. Next, question number 10. Which of the following is not mentioned, not a method of deriving subject headings? So this is easy question. Out of 4 options, through elimination we can easily find out. Given POPC, PRECIS, chain procedure and ISBD. Everyone knows chain procedure and POPC and PRECIS. These are pre-coordinating indexing systems. So in this question, it is not a method of deriving subject headings. So ISBD, International Standard Bibliographic Description. So ISBD is not a deriving subject headings. Remaining 3 are related to deriving subject headings. This is a PRECIS, POPC, chain procedure. These 3 are also POPC, PRECIS, chain procedures also pre-coordinating indexing systems. PRECIS knows some more points I'm explaining. PRECIS everyone knows, given by Derek Austin, preserved context indexing system. PRECIS abbreviation, some examinations. PRECIS defines also asking. So POPC also given by G. Bhattacharya, friends. So through elimination also we can find the 10th question answer. Right answer is option 4. ISBD is not a deriving subject headings. So 11th question. Which scheme of library classification is known as hierarchical classification? Which classification is another name hierarchical classification, that is called DDC classification? Out of 4 options, DDC, UDC, CC, BC given, but DDC is the right answer. 11th question. First option is the right answer, friends. Next, question number 12. What is the meaning of bibliopegic? Bibliopegic is a relating to book binding. So out of 4 option 1 is the correct answer for question number. This is a little bit tough question. This is a book related question, never seen before, so important, friends. Question number 12th, we will expect upcoming examinations. What is the meaning of bibliopegic? Bibliopegic is related to book binding process, friends. Right answer is option 1, 12th question, option 1 correct answer. Question number 13, friends. Which of the following is not a chemical agent for chemical deteriorations? deterioration. So which is the chemical, not a chemical agent. Asking acids are chemical, gas is also related to chemical deterioration, oxides also related. So fungi, elimination process, fungi is not a related to chemical. Fourth is the right answer for question number 13th. So next question number 14, friends. Which of the following public libraries act enacted by the state government in India? First library legislation act, everyone was fundamental basic question, important question, previous question. This one, Tamil Nadu, in the year of 1948, Tamil Nadu Public Library Act. This is the first library legislation, Public Library Act enacted in the state Tamil Nadu, friends. So option 1, 14th option 1 is the right answer, friends. Next question number 15, friends. Question number 15. Which of the following library association were formulated first in India? So earlier question, 14th question, Library Act asking in this library association. When the question is asking library association first formed in the state, that is Andhra Library Association, Andhra Pradesh Library Association is the right answer. When the question is asking which state is the first library legislation act enacted, means that is the Tamil Nadu, friends, 1948. But when the library association also, this is a little bit difference is there, so please read the questions carefully, friends. So library association first formed in India with Andhra Library Association in the year, I think, 1914. 1914 is the right answer, maybe once you check the, friends, but my answer is 1914, the year I am telling some more points. And question number 16, who coined the acronym, define the post garb? A post garb is a very previous question, important question, library fundamental management related question. Post garb given by Ruther Gulick and Harvick. So option 2, 16th question 2, option 2 is the right answer, friends. Ruther Gulick and Harvick is the given the post guard. Everyone knows planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, redirecting, and budgeting. This is the abbreviation, friends. This is management related question, friends. So next question number 17, who did consider directing is a complex process for getting things done through people? This is a statement, friends. Who given this statement? Direct is a complex process of getting things done through people is Herbert Simon. Simon is the right answer, option 2. Question number 17, option 2, Simon Herbert Simon given this statement. So 2 is the right answer out of 4 options. 2 correct answer for question number 17. Answers also given in bold letters, friends, so you can see easily. And next question number 18, according to whom management by objectives, that is nothing but MBO in libraries is should be used in libraries very cautiously. Whom gave this statement? Management by objective should be used in libraries very cautiously. This question is given different ways, friends. Earlier question papers we will see directly who is given MBO, management by objective. Peter Drucker is the answer. But in this question, management by objective should be used in library very cautious. This statement is given by Edward Evans. Edward Evans is the right answer, friends. So question number 18, 3 is the right answer. Question number 18, third option correct. 19, which of the following jobs not usually mentioned, not, friend, not usually performed by professional staff in the library? What is the duties not performed professional libraries in the library means maintenance of issue records. Fourth option is the right answer. This is not performed by the professional staff of library. Book selection, classification, and abstract, these all are performed by the professional staff in the library. Professional staff means those are well qualified, masters library science net qualified. These people are professional assistant position also. Some libraries recruited professional semi-professional staff also. So this activity is not done by the professional staff. Maintenance of issue records, fourth option, 19th, fourth is the right answer. Question number 20, which of the following method is inappropriate for recording the receipt of periodical publications in the library? Day book system, friends. This is important question, application type question and difficulty question. Which of the following method is inappropriate for recording the receipt of periodical publication in the ledger system, day book system, 3 card system, Cardex for serials, everyone knows. day book system, friends. So two, question number 22 is the right answer. Option 2, day book system, right answer. Question number 21, who was the first introduced punch card charging system? Easy one, but little bit tough also. Punch card system is given by Ralph Parker. Parker is the right answer, friends. So option 1, 21, 1, option 1 is the right answer. Ralph Parker, Parker, Parker is the right. He introduced the punch card charging system. Punched card charging system, Parker. Punch Parker. This coordination you can easily remember for future purpose. Punch card by Parker. So question number 21, 1 is the right answer. Next question number 22, friends. Next question number 22. What is the library extension? Extension is the library service by to the users. Library extension users. Extension is the library building, library counter, resource company, common people use. So library is a service. Extension is a service to the users. So question number 22, fourth option 1 is the right answer. 22, option 1 correct answer. Extension of library service to the user is the library extension. So next question number 23, what is the mobile library? Friends, this is I am little bit doubt, friends, but right answer is given a house of library science. But in my view, mobile library means it's a library move to one place to another place, and some examination given like mobile library means library on wheels. అంటే some vehicle is maintaining the books, that vehicle goes to one place to another place. So in application purpose I am telling what is mobile library means library on wheels. So right, in so many examinations answers are like that way, but in this way I am expecting second option, library moves one place to another. This is also right, but this is a tentative answer key. So I think, but answer given a house of library science, this is also the books are stored in a vehicle, so this is also nothing application purpose, that is also called house of library science. I think option 1 and 2 both are correct. So but answer given house of library science, my answer is 2 correct. 100% 2 is the correct one. So please check viewers, this I am not sure. Question number 23 right answer, please check through based on your knowledge, friends. My expectation 1 and 2 correct, other 2 also correct, friends. So please check, I am not sure about question number 23. Question number 24, in which edition of DV decimal classification DDC scheme farm division was renamed as a common subdivision? So DDC classification system, when which year farm division is a name changed as a common subdivision? So question number 24 right answer is 1932. 24th first option is the correct answer. In the year 1932 farm division renamed as a common subdivision in DDC classification. Next question number 25, in which edition DV decimal classification scheme the Phoenix schedules treatment of 301 to 307 for sociology? Everyone knows DDC number 301 to 307 sociology included in the schedules. DDC schedules in which edition onwards it is included? 19th edition. So option 4, 25 question, option 4 is the right answer. From 19th edition of DDC, Phoenix treatment 301 to 307 sociology schedules are included. Next option 4 is the right answer. 25th question. 26th question, who formulated the idea for giving author name as a book number? So this is a little bit 25th to 24th questions also tough questions, friends. This question, most of the questions in a different way, so this is a little bit tough, friends. 26th, who was the formulated the idea for giving author name as a book number? Melville Dewey. Out of 4 options, second option is the correct answer. Melville Dewey is the right answer for question number 26. Question number 27, INB, Indian National Bibliography, is a record of current Indian periodicals, Indian publications in English comprise how many Indian languages? INB is publishing in 14 languages, friends. It's a basic previous fundamental question. INB publications available in 14 Indian languages, friends. So 27th question, 3 is the right answer, option 3, 14 languages. Question number 28, Indian Science Library in India situated premises Which organization? Indian Science Library in India situated the premises of which organization? NISCARE. NISCARE is a science related one. NCL, this is a National Chemical Laboratory Pune. IISc Bangalore is a prestigious institution. Indira Gandhi Institute of Development, some that is also not related. So NISCARE, friends, NISCARE knows some more. It's located New Delhi. Science, National Science Library of India, managed by NISCARE. So NISCARE is alerts ISSN number, Indian Standard Serial Number. ISSN consists of 8 digits. These points also more useful. NISCARE is a National Science Communication and Information Retrieval Center located at New Delhi. Next question number 28. Right answer is option 1, NISCARE. Next question number 29, friends. 1 second. Question number 29. Which of the following is not included? Common types of e-resources. So out of 4 options, documental list are not included. Common type of e-resources, electronic resources, which is not included. So documentation list not included. Electronic monograph, internet sites also e-access, databases also e-resources. Through elimination we can easily understand database nothing but e-access. Internet sites also we can access through the internet. E-access, document and list, this is physical documents, and electronic monographs, prefix mentioned as electronic, so this is also electronic work. So document and list are not included common types of e-resources. 29th question, 3 option 3 correct answer. So document and list are not included common type of e-resources. Next question number 30. Which of the following reasons does not justify collection of building of e-resources in India in libraries? I will repeat question once again. Question number 30. Which of the following reasons does not justify a collection building of e-resources in libraries? So right answer is non-availability of technical manpower. Non-available technical manpower. Question number 33 is the right answer. 3 correct answer for question number 30. Non-availability of technical manpower. Question number 31. Which of the following is not a primary memory device of computer system? Remaining 4 options, 3 are primary memory devices. One is except one is a primary memory device. So RAM is a primary, random access memory, read-only memory also primary memory device. Next, programmable program and programmable read-only. This is also primary memory device. So read and write memory, RAM, this is not a primary memory device of computer system. So option 3 is a not included primary memory device. So 31, the right answer is 3. Read and write memory is not included. Next, 32. Which of the following reasons acquiring e-journals is not acceptable by the library? Non-consortium mode. So which of the following reasons for acquiring e-resources not acceptable by library is non-consortium mode? So 32, 3 is the right answer. 32, option 3 correct answer, friends. Next question number 33. When did HP Luhan is IBM developed programs producing keyword indexes to the title of articles appear in chemical abstract? This is also little bit tough and very innovative question, tough question we will expect future examination. 1961, friends. Right answer is 1961, option 2. 33, option 2 is the right answer. 34. Which of the following is not included in the main benefits of computer network? So which of the not included in this question also not mentioned, in not included main benefits of computer network? Enhanced performance is the not included main benefits of computer. So right answer is 34th question, option 3, non-enhanced performance. Remaining 3 is related to main benefits of computer networks. Non-enhanced performance is not related. 3 is the right answer. 34. 35. When did the mission read MARC project started by Library Congress? This easy basic fundamental question, friends, but in this question paper out of 50 questions, easy questions I think 10 to 15 questions, remaining a little bit tough and in assertion reasonable type lengthy questions, very somewhat difficult question given. So this paper more useful for upcoming examination. We will get more point to, we will more knowledge and go through this paper. Mark is given by Library Congress. It started in the year 1966. This is a question number 35, friends. Next we will go for question number 36th. Question: what is the information transfer? It's a easy question, informative question. So out of 4 options, all are correct. Information transfer means communication of information among the people who need it. This is also correct. So information sharing among the people, correct. It deals the whole process of dissemination of information. So this one is the correct. So all are the correct. Option 4 correct answer for 36th question. Next 37th question gives as a INSPEC, INSPEC. INSPEC means abbreviation, friends. This question abbreviation, acronym for International Information Service for Physics and Engineering Community. Option 1 is the right answer. 37th question out of 4 options. 31 is the right answer. INSPEC means International Information Services for Service, Physics, E for Engineering, and C for Community. Option 1 correct. 37th question out of 4 option 1 correct. 38th question: what is the different functional subsystems of library automation? Library automation is nothing but a manual of library automation is came manual replacement of manual system. Library automation fully automated. Nowadays libraries is totally library automation process is going. So friends, different functional subsystem of library automation is cataloging, serial control, cataloging, circulation control also part of automation, serial control. All options are correct, friends. 38.4 is the right answer. 39, who introduced concept of bibliometric coupling? Everyone knows this important question, uses in a previous question. Bibliometric coupling given by Kessler in the year 1963. I am telling one more point. Bibliographic graphic coupling is given in the year 1963 by Kessler. So option 2 is the right answer. 39th question 2, Kessler is the right answer. Answer given bold letters also. Down of out of 4 options given right answers. So 40th question: when was the Library Research Center, LRC, Library Research Center, is established by University of Illinois? So some examination, Library Research Center is established by which university? Asking University of Illinois. So in this question paper, when Library Research Center started by University of Illinois in the year 1962. I think it's located in UK, I think, but I'm not sure. It is UK, London. So 1962 right answer is option 1. 40th question, option 1 is the right answer. 41 question: what is the different standards of bibliographic description of documents? So what is the different standards? 4 options given, 4 are correct. Bibliographic description of document standards are ISBD, ISSN, ISBN is the right answers. All of the above given as correct. But my opinion, bibliographic standards means ISBD is 100% correct, but ISS now it is related, but all of the options are correct. So friends, 41 I am not sure, please check once based on your knowledge, friends. So all of the, so these are bibliographic description of all of correct. 41 4 option, fourth option correct, friends. Next 42, according to AACR2, when a single statement of responsibility name is more than 3 persons, then enter the name of first author, omit the rest. So enter the name of first author and omit the rest is the right answer. Third option 42 3 is the right answer. We will read question once again. According to Anglo-American cataloging rules to AACR2, when a single statement of responsibility name is more than 3 persons, so statement of responsibility consists of more than 3 persons of author, what is the consideration according to AACR2? Question is asking in that way. Right answer is enter the name of the first author and remaining the rest, and omit the rest is the right answer. Option 3 is the right answer. 42. 43, according to again AACR2, if there exists more than one place of publication, then exist more than one place of publication, then right answer is 43 question. In the entry of catalog, write the first place of publication. In the entry of, so option 1 is the right answer for Question number 43. In the entry of catalog, write first place of publication is the right answer. Option 1 correct answer for 43 question. 44 question. Which organization publish library information science abstract? It's a very popular one. Library information science abstract is published by UK Library Association, LA Library Association UK, jointly with the Association of Special Library Information Bureau, Association of Special Libraries in ASLIB and UK Library, LA and ASLIB, both are jointly publishes the library information science abstracts. So this right answer is option 1, 44. Option 1 is the right answer. 45th question. Which of the following document is considered by AACR2? In this question paper, friends, most of the questions, ante 3-4 questions asking AACR2 basis. Which of the following document considered by AACR2 as a publication pattern not in bibliographic condition? Right answer is serials, friends. Option 2 is the right answer for 45th question. Which of the following document is considered by AACR2 as a publication pattern not included bibliographic condition? Serials, remaining books, maps, audiovisuals are related. So serials, option 2 correct answer. 45th question. This is a little bit tough question. 45. 46th, computerization of subject headings first started which organization? DRTC, easy question. Computerization of subject headings first started by DRT, Documentation Research Training Center. It is a very well known one, Bangalore located. Fourth option, option 1 is the right answer. 46th one correct answer. Right answer is DRTC, Bangalore. Next, 47th question. Research in social sciences concerned with. Research is social science concerned with both 1 and 2 correct. Option 3 correct answer, friends. 47 3 correct answer. Knowledge for its own sake. Research in social sciences are concerned with. Question is given like that. Knowledge for own sake. Knowledge for what it can contribute to practical concerns. Knowledge for what it contribute practical concerns. So both 1 and 2 both are correct. So 3 is the right option. 47. 48th, the research should select one of the methods for collecting data taking into consideration. Researchers should select one of the methods for collecting data taking into consideration. So all 4 options are correct, friends. 48th, fourth option correct. The nature of investigation also taking for data collection consideration. Objective and scope of inquiry. Financial resource available within the time and desired degree of accuracy. So 3 options correct. So fourth one, all of the above options are correct. 48 4 right option. Next, 49th, who categorized documents into primary, secondary and tertiary documents based on information characters found to be more useful? This previous question, important question. 2 categories given by 1 and 3 categories of information characters asking. So Dennis Gorgon is the right answer. 2 means Hanson, I think. So friends, who categorizes documents primary, secondary and tertiary? If it is given primary and secondary, Hanson is the right answer, but Gorgon is given information of characters, 3 types of category of documents, that is primary, secondary and tertiary. Gorgon. So option 3 is the right answer for 49th question. 50th and last question on this library science question paper. What is the significant advantage of digitizing older documents? What is the significant advantage of digitizing older documents? The right answer is all of the above, friends. Last question, 50th question. All are correct. To ensure the preservation and accessibility of digital information, correct. To first option also correct. To increase is interest of library website development, migration of information sources, services to the web. So 4 options correct. 50th question, fourth option is the right answer, friend. Friends, this is recently conducted by the question paper by Odisha Staff Selection Commission for the post of junior librarian and assistant librarian examinations. Friends, this is a common paper. 50 questions from the part of library science, friends. It's out of 50 questions, 10 questions basic questions, remaining questions application type and little bit type not a previous question earlier, not repeated one. It's a little bit tough questions, friends. This paper, go through this paper, we will get more knowledge, friends. These type of questions also asking in future examination. Viewers, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for more updates in future. More question papers I will upload soon. Weekly minimum 3 question papers I am uploading, friends. Till today I am uploading, already uploaded 12 question papers, friends. Go through my Jobs in Telugu State. Please search my channel name in YouTube, Jobs in Telugu Net, without space. Jobs in Telugu States, without any space. Jobs in Telugu States is my channel. I uploaded 13 question library science question paper. Out of 13, 10 papers we never get anywhere that question papers, very rare and very important prestigious institution question paper, friends. Please share my channel question papers through Telegram groups, WhatsApp, any professional groups, friends. Very useful for competitive aspirants, friends. And keep watching my channel. Please subscribe, friends. Thank you so much. If you any suggestions, please make a comment, friends. Thank you so much, friends.